Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to transfer XRP from Kraken to a cold wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know that keeping your assets secure is key, especially with all the hacks and volatility out there. A cold wallet is your best friend for long-term storage because it's offline and way less vulnerable. So, let's get right into it and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, make sure your cold wallet is set up and ready to go. If you're using a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor, connect it to your computer and open the app. Double-check that it's updated to the latest firmware. 2025 models might have some new security features, so stay on top of that. Next, log into your Kraken account. Go to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw section. You'll need to select XRP from your list of assets. Before you proceed, verify your account's two-factor authentication is enabled. It's a game changer for security. Now, for the transfer. Enter the amount of XRP you want to move. This is crucial. Start with a small amount if it's your first time to test the waters. Then, paste in the wallet address from your cold wallet. Pro tip: always double-check this address to avoid any irreversible mistakes. Kraken might ask for a memo or tag if required for XRP, so keep an eye out for that. Once everything looks good, hit confirm and review the withdrawal details. You'll probably see a network fee. XRP on the XRP ledger is pretty cheap, but fees can vary. After submission, Kraken will process it, which usually takes a few minutes. Head over to your cold wallet app to watch for the confirmation. And just like that, your XRP is safely tucked away in your cold wallet. Remember, in 2025, crypto regulations might have changed, so always check Kraken's Help Center for the latest updates. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.